What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. This is yours truly, KJ, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you see right now, guys, we're looking at the investing account. We're sitting at $69,772, $73.23 right now. The account said we're up $300+ right now. It's 11:42 at night. So I want to bring you this live information, kind of give you guys an update on the portfolio, what we're looking at, why the market's reacting in a bullish way that it is right now. Because, guys, I don't know if you've been paying attention, but we are in a bullish uptrend. If you look right here at 9:45 tonight, 9:50 tonight, the market spiked upwards, and then 10 o'clock, 10:15, 10:30, it's just been going, in 11:42, and it's just at an all-time high. This is the highest the market has been today since opening of the market. My goodness. So, guys, you might notice the investing count looks a little low. So, KJ, you just said it's the highest it's been. Okay, yeah, we hit all-time highs right now in the market. My buying power, $25,537.83. That's a lot of money just laying around, but it's not really, because I still have my options going right here. You got Big Bear, you got Sweetgreens, we got Walmart, we got American Airlines. I still got those expiring July 18th. It's coming up. Now, what I'm saying is my portfolio is an all-time high. Let me show you. Traditional IRA. Check this out. We cracked over $52,739. Look, in the overnight, today we did over $400. In the overnight, we did almost $700. Same thing, buying power, $3,238.83. But look at, I got my options, HIMS, I got an NVIDIA play, Palantir. I'm selling puts on all these positions to get into the stocks. Well, NVIDIA actually is a cover call. I got a cover call for NVIDIA for 157.50. But of course, NVIDIA is at 170, and it just cracked 170 tonight. As you see right there, we've went up in the aftermarket at the closing, $6.42. Look at NVIDIA. It's just going on a tyrant. I thought if I rolled my position up to 170, guys, I thought I would be safe. But I see that I'm not safe. I'm so glad I waited to roll. But I'm going to roll this position. It's not due until the 18th, which is when all my options are due on the same day, the 18th. I thought about just, taking the money, the market value, and keeping it moving. But look at my total return. $7,600, over $7,600. Guys, the option is a cover call. It has exceeded the cover call. NVIDIA has exceeded my cover call. We are in the money, past in the money. We are severely in the money. And I'm definitely going to have to roll this by Friday. But yeah, NVIDIA has just taken over the portfolio and just taken over the stock market as a whole. I got 126.11 shares of NVIDIA in this account. I got like 55, almost 56 shares in the investing account. MicroStrategy, look at that, $440.51. You guys know MicroStrategy benefits off of the back of Bitcoin. If you don't know much about the crypto space, guys, and I do have some crypto. Let me see if I can pull it up. Here we go. I have some Doge, I got some Ethereum, and I got some Avalanche. But if you take a look at Bitcoin, let me see if I can find it. There you go. Okay, tonight it's come down over $3,000. Bitcoin was at an all-time high of $120,000 per coin today. Let's see if we can find it. Yep, right here. Look at that, 121. Wow, it was up to 122 at 3:50 in the morning. Guys, Bitcoin was at an all-time high today. Why? What's going on? Because so many different governments, so many different organizations, so many big hedge fund institutions like BlackRock and all these guys, they are spending extra money exponentially on mining for the newest Bitcoin. They are trying to raise capital to get more cryptocurrency. Why? Also because I don't know if you guys know this, but the US dollar has dropped like 8% more in the markets today, the world market. So the US dollar is steadily losing value. Inflation continues to rise. Well, right now, inflation is actually cooling, but overall, inflation has risen, which has caused the value of the dollar to be lowered. And a lot of people are taking up hedge or protection of their money, storing it into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not going to be affected by inflation. It's not regulated by governments. So that's why that's going on, you guys. I just felt like I'll bring you that information. Like I said, right here, if you take a look, we cracked over 122. We had $122,540.14. Yeah, options are expiring July 18th. What I'm gonna do. That's why I still got a good bit of buying power here. And once all of these options are freed up, that buying power is gonna be added to this buying power. And also the same thing is going to happen in the traditional IRA. All of those buying powers are going to be released. And guys, I'm going to show you how to trade to make between 5K to 6K monthly. That's my goal. That's what I'm trying to do. That's definitely what I'm going to do. That's retirement status, early retirement status. I want to bring in at least between 55 to 6K in trades on this next time I do my live trades, man. So I want to do that. I want to cover that, get you guys involved with that. That's what I want to do. I'm still holding some Apple shares, Google, Walmart especially is doing good. I got 114 shares of Walmart. It's at $95.70. I got a cover call going right now for $103. Also, I got a total return on Walmart over $4,100. Walmart is good, stable company in the portfolio. Coca-Cola hovering around that $69 mark, $69.53. I got 33 shares of that. $23.07 is the market value. I'm up in the position 14%. Is $287.15. I'm thinking about selling that. As a matter of fact, I am gonna sell that so I can collect on the gains there with Coca-Cola, so I can use that money to help go towards more option trading. To be honest, that's what I'm gonna do. I told you I got the iBit. iBit is the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETL, $63.83. I got 64.44 shares. Market value is $4,307.13. I'm up $807.13, which is a 23% return on the investment. When Bitcoin, instead of investing in Bitcoin directly, you guys already know I got Bitcoin through the iBit ETL. It's one of the best ETLs you can have for Bitcoin. I still got the 400 shares of Sweetgreens. Right now, Sweetgreen is trading at $13.70. I'm selling, I got 400 shares. I'm doing the 4 cover calls. And as you can see, my cover calls are up. I'm up 85.45% in the position. I can actually take profits right now and redistribute the money into something else. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait to expiration, let this whole options play out, and then I'm going to sell cover calls again for the next month to continue help generating that income so I can continue making passive income the easiest way possible, selling cover calls. It's like a cheat code, guys. Okay, so that's my portfolio right now, guys. This is the update. Like I said, I'm approaching 53K right here in the traditional IRA. Not bad. Why? Because look at the total contribution. Look at my 2025 total contribution into this account. Zero. Absolutely zero. When we started 2025, this account was on, let's say year to date. This account was on, look at there, January the 2nd. $43,439. $43,439. Now it's at $52,866. That's a $9,427 gain. Guys, I've made almost 10K in this account alone since the beginning of the year, and I haven't contributed anything. You see the contribution for 2025. I already matched zero. 2025 total zero. I have not put a single dime into this particular portfolio, and I already made almost $10,000 in this particular portfolio. Guys, it's the powers in the market to help get rich, to help get us to where we need to be. We finna make more money on top of more money, more than you can actually imagine. And the investment account, I still actively take money from a job and put it into this account. I'm growing this account up and away. Also selling options, more income provided for this account as well. Like I said, we're at 122,000. I also have another $17,700 in the Fidelity investing account as well. That account's approaching 18,000 and 19,000, 20,000. This account right here will continue approaching 150K, 200K, and eventually 500K, and eventually $1 million. We're on our road to $1 million, man. $2 million, multi-millionaire status. We're gonna get there. If you like this type of content, let me know in the comment box below. You guys see the growth. You guys see the gain. I'm not playing with it. Look at there. Past 3 months, we're up $11,369. If you guys want to learn how to make this type of improvement to your financial situation, life-changing money, if you guys want to know how to beat the economy, inflation, and all of that, if you guys want to know what it feels like to go to the gas station, not have to make life decisions like, should I get gas today? Do I need to buy food today for my family to eat? No, you ain't got to do all that. Just because prices are getting high, things are getting ridiculous out here, and everybody that I know works at least 2 jobs. But if you want to know how to make the gains that I make and be like good, and look at this past week, $1,119.32 in the past 1 week. How many jobs are paying somebody over $1,100, $1,200 a week? Yeah, I just made that in this account. Not even trying. Not even 2% of the portfolio. This is 1.63%. And I'm trying to do at least 2%. At first, it was monthly. But now I feel like I can do it weekly. At least 2% growth in the portfolio. So anyway, if you guys want to learn the skills, the trade, the skills to invest, follow my channel, KJ the Investor. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with somebody that you love and know, and then I'll see you on the next time. Peace.